Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Libra. So Libras, if you really want to know what are their thoughts about you, what is it that they really wish to say to you, this reading is definitely going to help you know that. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading as well, so stay tuned and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general read, it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages that resonates, I'll leave the rest. And for personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well. So Libras, let's see, what do they think about you? What is it that they are thinking about you? Whoever it is that you're dealing with, let's tap into that. Four of Wands, wow. Seven of Wands, they are preparing themselves up to make things work in this connection with you. For some of you, maybe your person is considering to propose you. They could be, considering your proposal as well for some of you. But I feel like this person really believes that you are the one for them, and they are praying, affirming for you as well. For some of you, maybe you are dealing with a person from the past, somebody that you have been with. They are wishing to return back to you. This person could be somebody that you have always loved, and maybe they never kind of felt that they are ready to pursue you or to give you what you deserved. But right now I feel like they are wishing, hoping for a reconciliation with you. Now I feel like this person has a lot. Wow, this person seems to be like now ready and prepared to give you what you always wanted with them. Your prayers are definitely heard and answered by the heavens, and I feel like your person is really, really, really planning to get back with you, to start a new life with you. They want to marry you. I feel like this person could be somebody that you have been praying, affirming, wishing, hoping for. Whether you are already in touch with this person or whether you are out of touch, I feel like major, major blessing is definitely coming in for your for your love life with this specific someone that you're currently dealing with, and whoever it is that you're watching this read for. This person really believes that maybe they see their spouse in you now. Maybe they never saw you with that intention. Maybe they never saw that you could be the one for them. But now they feel like you are, or you could be the perfect choice for them. Let's see their messages. Let's see what do they wish to say to you. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, be that a person from the past, be that somebody new. Let's see what is it that they want you to know. What are their messages? I hope you can forgive me one day. So this person is really wishing to reconcile with you. They really want you to forgive them. Wow. I remember every detail of that day. Now that day could be the last time when you talked, the last time when you met, the last time when you spoke to each other. They are thinking a lot about you is what I'm picking up here. I feel like this person really remember everything that happened between the two of you. And they are really, really feeling that they want to be with you. They want to give into this connection with you. I left when I saw you with someone. They might have left you for some reasons. They might have told you that I'm leaving you for you were with someone else maybe or something like that. But maybe they had some hidden fears around commitment as well. But yeah, let's see more messages from your person. Let's see what else do they wish to say to you. What else do they wish to say to you? What else do they wish to say? I can now feel what I made you go through. So this person being maybe on the waiting side, maybe they are wishing and hoping for you. Maybe you left them because they were with someone else or caught some with somebody else, and maybe you proposed and they rejected you back then, and now they are feeling what you made them, what they made you go through, and now they can feel your pains, your suffering as well. So for those of you who are in no communication right now, maybe your person is really, really, really missing you so bad, and now they can feel what they always made you go through with no communication, if that happened in this connection. Let's see one last card from the messages. I love the way you love me. It feels so right. So this person is really missing your love there. Let's see what major shift can you expect coming up for you in your connection with your person. Libras, the Chariot. Things are moving in fast with this connection that you have with your person. I feel like for some of you, you might be living away from each other right now, maybe different cities, different countries. You might be traveling to be back with each other. This person could be traveling towards you as well. And for others of you, maybe it's the divine timing that is working so quick now in this connection, where the universe really wants you to come back together, and that too very quickly. Let's see the oracle messages. Let's see what the oracle has to add for you for this read. Luck is on your side. For some of you, could be dealing with a Sagittarius as well. Now, the luck is going to be on your side. If you really wish to be back with this person, I feel like, your wishes are definitely getting granted here with that person, whoever it is that you're dealing with. Let's see more cards here. Yes, the timing is right for this new venture. A happy outcome follows your positive expectations. You might be expecting them to reach out to you soon. And if that's you, trust me, they will be reaching out to you soon. Whatever you desire with them will be happening soon as well. So if a person seems to be now prepared to give into the connection, they want to start something beautiful with you. They can feel your pain now, what they made you go through, and they want to kind of, maybe make up for what they did wrong in this connection as well. Let's see one more card here. Chakra clearing. Call upon angels to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometric shapes. For some of you, really need to open up your heart chakra, your other chakras to be on the receiving end of something beautiful. Try to release any negativity, any blockages that you might be having right now. So you could have what you desire with your person coming in quick. Let's see more cards. Let's see what else do we have coming up for you, Libras. What else is coming up for you? For some of you, maybe your person was very indecisive about you, and if that's how they used to be, I feel like I feel like maybe your person, whoever it is that you're currently dealing with, maybe they have always been very confused between their mind and their heart. Like, they were finding themselves to be indecisive because their mind said yes, their heart said no, or vice versa. So somehow, maybe the delays in your love life with your specific someone could be because they are indecisive about this connection, or they might have been indecisive about this connection. Seems like, finally they will be able to basically make their decision. Because that's what has been holding them back from this situation to evolve. Let me see one card from the middle of the deck. Yes, Two of Pentacles. So there has been a lot of indecision in this connection, be that coming from your end or your person's end. I feel like maybe for majority of you, it's since your person seems to be the one who is getting ready now, so maybe they have always been very indecisive about this connection. So I feel like their indecision is the reason why things haven't been moving forward. But I feel like in the days to come, in the weeks to come, you will see your major moving energy coming from your person's end. So yeah, that's my message coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, check the description box for that. Till I do the next read for you guys. Take care. Bye.